Good afternoon, students. In morning session, we studied about 2.2. Okay, we have studied about 2.2 exercise. Now we are going to see about the exercise 2.3. Okay, here the first sum is related to NP4 equal to 12 NP2. Find N. Okay, here permutation it is. NP4 is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. The formula is given here. NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, so applying these formulas, we are finding the value of n. Okay, so here the question is NP4 equal to 12 NP2. So n factorial NP4 is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 into NP2 becomes n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. Okay, then both the side n factorials are cancelled. We are getting 1 by n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 by n minus 2 factorial. Here n minus 4, n minus 2. In these two, n minus 4 is the lowest term because the minus sign implies it is a lowest term compared to n minus 2. Therefore, we change the n minus 2 in terms of n minus 4. Okay, so n minus 2 minus 1 become n minus 3, n minus 3 minus 1 become n minus 4 factorial. Okay, now we get the n minus 4 factorial in both the side. Therefore, n minus 4 factorial is cancelled. Okay, next we are going to do like this. 1 equal to 12 divided by n minus 2 into n minus 3. Our step is to find the value of n. Okay, so in cross multiplication, that is n minus 2 and n minus 3 equal to 12. So n minus 2 n minus 3 is multiplied, we are getting n square minus 5n plus 6 equal to 12. Okay, if you factorize these things, we are getting n minus 6 into n plus 1 equal to 0, where n equal to 6 or n equal to minus 1. Okay, so n is equal to minus 1 is not possible because always the number becomes in positive integer only. Therefore, n equal to 6. Okay, once again the same things here. The question is we are going to find the value of n. Here NP4 equal to 12 NP2, it is given in the question. NP4 we are writing as n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial by using the formula NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Therefore, n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 into, now also for NP2 you are applying the same formula, n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. Okay, both then we are changing the n minus 2 in terms of n minus 4 because n minus 4 is the lowest term comparing to n minus 2. Therefore, n minus 2 factorial become n minus 2, n minus 3 and n minus 4 factorial. Here n minus 4 is cancelled. We are getting 12 by n minus 2 by n minus 3. Therefore, after cross multiplication, we are getting n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 12. Therefore, n square minus 5n plus 6 equal to 12. If we factorize, we are getting the value of n equal to 6. Second question. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that no 2 girls are together seated? So something is missing here. So are together seated. The boys can be seated in a row 5p way because there are 5 ways, 5 boys are there. So if they are changing according to them, then there are 5 ways in between the boys. Okay, so the boys can be seated in a row in 5p 5 ways, that is 5 factorial ways. In each of these arrangements, 6 places are created shown by the cross makers given below. That is, boys means cross into B into cross. Here cross implies the girls because in between the girls the boys are sitting, because no 2 girls are seated together means in between the 2 girls one boy must be seated. Therefore, cross into B into cross into B into cross into B into cross into B into cross. Here the number of girls are 3. Okay, therefore since no 2 girls are sit together, so we may arrange 3 girls in 6 places. 6 places means in 6 places we may arrange 3 ways. Okay, therefore this can be done in 6p 3 ways, because there are 6 ways are there, but the girls are only 3. In these 6 ways we are choosing 3 ways. Therefore 6p 3 ways. 3 girls can be seated in 6p 3 ways. Hence the total number of seating arrangement equal to 5p5 into 6p3. Here the 5p5 implies the boys, whereas 6p3 implies the girls. Therefore 5p5 means nothing but 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial, whereas 6p3 means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 factorial. We are getting 3 factorial. Okay, now we are cancelling like this. 6 factorial becomes 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, whereas 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. Therefore, after cancelling then multiplying, we are getting 14,400 ways. That is, in 14,400 ways, 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row, so that no 2 girls are sit together. Okay, so this is the way we have to do the sums for the second one. Then third one, how many 6-digit telephone number can be constructed with the digit 0, 1, 2 number seated with 35 and no digit appear more than once? Here the number of the telephone number is 6. Okay, 6 digit telephone number can be formed as follows: 3, 5. That is, the first 2 numbers is, it is given that 3 and 5. The given numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, other than 3 and 5, because 3 and 5 are already written in the lakhs places. Okay, so 10 lakhs and lakhs, it is 3, that is in 6th digit and 5th digit it is there. We have 8 numbers, remaining number are 8 numbers. In this 8 number we have to fill 4 numbers, therefore 8p4. The total number is 8. Among these 8 numbers I am choosing only the 4, therefore 8p4 ways. Okay, total number of 6-digit telephone numbers can be 1 into 1, because already 3 is there one time and 5 is there, that also one time. Remaining 4 numbers can be filled in by 8p4. Therefore 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 4 factorial, that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So 8 factorial divided by r factorial is nothing but, here the smallest factorial is 4 factorial. Therefore change the 8 factorial in terms of 4 factorial. We get 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Now where 4 factorials are cancelled, we are getting 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. The answer becomes 1618. Therefore, in 1680 ways, the 6-digit telephone number can be constructed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 3, 5 is already appear in the boxes. Okay. Now, fourth question. Find the number of arrangement that can be made out of the letters of the word ASSA, that is assignment, by using the word assassination. Okay, how the numbers arrangement can be made out of the letters of the word assassination. That is, here total number of letters in the words in the A occurs 3 times. Okay, wait, A occurs assassination in the, this is the fourth question. Okay, so A occurs 3 times and S occurs 4 times. I occurs twice, that is the number of terms times A is there is 3 and number of time S 4. I occurs twice, N occurs twice, T occurs once, O occurs once. Therefore, required number of permutation equal to, the total number of word letters is 13. Okay, A 1 2 S SASSINATION. Therefore, the number of letters in assassination is 13. In that, A is 3 times. Therefore, A repeated 3 times means 3 factorial. S repeated 4 times means 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. I occurs twice means divided by 2 factorial. And N occurs twice means divided by 2 factorial. T occurs once means into 1 factorial and 0 factorial. No need to write 1 because if you divide any number by 1, you are getting the same number. Therefore, 3 factorial, the required number of permutation equal to 13 factorial, that is total, divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So, no need to simplify it. You stop the answer now like this. 13 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Okay. So, this is also an important questions. So, the own questions also given depending upon they may give some letters, some words, for example, business mathematics. You may write how many letters are there in B, how many B's are there, U, how many U are there, like that you may write, and after that find the question, answer following these rules. Okay. Then, how many ways can 8 identical beads be stuck on a necklace? Here, the two things are there. One is identical one, another one is a differential one. So, here it is given 8 identical beads are strung on a necklace. In a necklace, there are 8 identical beads are there. They are strung in the necklace. And how many ways can 8 boys form a ring? This is the second question. We are going to the first part, that is A part. How many ways can 8 identical beads be strung on a necklace? Since beads are identical, both clockwise and anti-clockwise circular. That is, if it is identical means it is in circular. So, if it is circular form means the number of permutation is, this is for circle, n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. You have to apply this formula if it is in a circle form. Okay. So, n here is 8 identical beads. Therefore, 8 minus 1 divided by 2. It is 8 minus 1 factorial means it is 7 factorial divided by 2. That is the answer for the first question. Okay. The second chapter is very easy. That is the sums are asked in 2 marks and 3 marks only. But you must understand the question well. Okay. Divided by 2 factorial. The next one is, in how many ways can 8 boys form a ring? A ring means here also since the boys are not identical. If it is identical, we write n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. If it is not identical means the answer is n minus 1 factorial. That's all. No need to divide it by 2. Okay. Since the boys are not identical, whether all the boys are identical in nature? No. Therefore, the boys are not identical. Number of permutation becomes n minus 1 factorial. We are getting 7 factorial. Okay. Here, there are 2 questions. One is relating to identical beads. Other one is relating to not identical. If it is identical means in such case n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. If it is not identical means n minus 1 factorial. So, you apply the formula according to the identity. That is, if it is identical or not. First you decide whether it is identical or not. If it is not identical means in such a case you have to apply the formula n minus 1 factorial. If it is identical means you apply the formula n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Then find the rank of the word chat in dictionary. The letters of the word chat in alphabetical order are A, C, H, T. That is, I am saying in alphabetical order. First A comes, then C comes, afterwards H, then T. Okay, likewise the letters are coming. Therefore, the letters of the word chat in alphabetical order are A, C, H, T. Number of words starting with A is 3 letters. In dictionary, 3 factorials are there. Okay, so if you see the dictionary, you are getting 3 numbers. That is 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. The number of words starting with the CA, that is after A you are going to C. CA are 2 factorial, that is 2. Then the number of words starting with CHA, that is chat. CHA is 1. Okay. So, rank of the word chat is 6 plus 2 plus 1, you are getting 9. This is also an important question asked in 2 marks, sometimes also in 3 marks. Now, we are going to the next exercise 2.4. NPR equal to 1680. NCR equal to 70. Find N and R. Here we are using both the formulas NPR as well as NCR. Here NPR is 1680. What is the formula for NPR? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. Therefore, N factorial divided by N minus R factorial equal to 1680. Here NCR equal to 70. Okay, therefore N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. The difference between the NPR and NCR it is given here. NPR is nothing but N factorial divided by N minus R factorial, whereas NCR equal to N, that is combination, N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial equal to 70. By dividing these two things, that is here the first equation is N factorial divided by N minus 1 factorial equal to 1681. First equation. Second equation N factorial divided by R factorial minus into N minus R factorial equal to 70. This is the second one. I am dividing 1 by 2. Okay, I am getting the value like this. N factorial divided by N minus R factorial divided by N factorial divided by R factorial N minus R factorial. Here N minus R factorial is cancelled. N also cancelled. We are getting R factorial equal to, after dividing the 1680 by 7, 24. Okay, so here 24 also written as a adjacent number, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. We are getting 4 factorial, that is the value of the R, that is R equal to here 4. Substitute this R value in the formula N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial equal to 70. We are getting N factorial divided by 4 factorial minus N minus 4 factorial equal to 70. So N factorial is nothing but is reduced in terms of N minus 4 factorial. Therefore N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 into N minus 4 divided by N minus 4 equal to 70 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. N minus 4 factorials are cancelled. We are getting N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 equal to 1680. Therefore, after factorizing we are getting 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, that is the value of N equal to 8, that is N equal to 8 means N minus 1 equal to 7, N minus 2 equal to 6, N minus 3 equal to 5, therefore value of N equal to 8. The next question, verify 8C4 plus 8C3 equal to 9C4. Here 8C4 means the formula is NCR equal to N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Therefore LHS 8C4 plus 8C3 equal to 8C4 means nothing but 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial, that is R equal to 4 factorial. Then 8 minus 4 becomes 4 factorial plus 8C3 means 8 factorial divided by R is 3, therefore 3 factorial into 8 minus 3 becomes 5 factorial. Okay, now take the 8 factorial as common. Now we are getting 1 by 4 factorial. Here the lowest term is 3 factorial. So change into 3 factorial. Then here there are 4 factorial, 4 factorial are there. Therefore write the first 4 factorial as it is. Then next 4 factorial become 4 into 3 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial into 5 factorial become 5 into 4 factorial, because in first one there are 4 factorials are there. Okay, now take the 3 factorial and 4 factorial as common. We are getting 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, then taking the LCM for 1 by 4 and 1 by 5, we are getting 5 plus 4 divided by 20. Okay, so the answer becomes 8 factorial into 9. 8 factorial is into 9 is nothing but 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial become 3 into 2 into 20. You are getting the answer 126. If you factorize this 126 in terms of 9, it becomes 9C4, that is RHS, hence proved. Okay, so this is the second question in 2.5. Then third question. Next we are going to see about the third question. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? How many chords? What is meant by chords? If you draw in a circle, if it is drawn in center, it is a diameter. Okay, so other than that center, remaining lines are drawn in between 2 points of the circle means it is a chord. So a chord is obtained by joining any 2 points on a circle. So total number of chords drawn through 21 point is the same as the number of 21 points. This can be done in, because there are 21 points are there. By using these 21 points, I am drawing 2 cards. That is, I am drawing 1 cards by using the 2 points among these 21 points. Therefore, the total is 21. I am taking only 2 points. Therefore, 21 C2 ways. Hence, total number of cards equal to 21 C2 equal to 21 factorial divided by 19 factorial. That is, r factorial is 2. 21 minus 2 becomes 19 factorial. That is n minus r. Therefore, 2 factorials are cancelled. That is, here now 21 becomes 21 into 20 into 19 factorial. 19 is cancelled. We are getting 21 into 20 by 2. If you cancel, we are getting the 210 is the answer for this question. How many cards we can draw? Nearly 210 cards by using these points. Then how many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of the hexagon? In hexagon there are 6 vertices are there. So we are for triangle we need only 3 points. Therefore in total 6 we are taking only 3. Therefore 6 3 ways. That is 6 3 ways is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. After cancelling we are getting 20 is the answer for this question. Okay. So in 2.3 and 2.4, 2.5 we finished in almost all the sums. So do the remaining sum as homework. Do all the example sum as a assignment in 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. For 2.3 is morning assignment. 2.4 and 5 example sums are afternoon assignment. So do the assignments in order to score more mark in your assignment as well as in your monthly test. Thank you, students.